Hello, welcome. This video is to show you how to check or change the air filter on a 2018 Nissan Rogue. This is very similar to many other Nissan Rogue models. If you follow the intake piping, you have this midsection here. There's two clips here that you pull from underneath to release. Pull this one towards the front of the car to release. Slide this straight up. Now you'll be able to see your air filter, which mine looks quite dirty and needs to be replaced, so I will be doing so soon. To show you how to replace it, there's a clip here you need to release. And there's a clip over here you need to release. And then it falls forward. This is as far as it comes forward since you have the engine ECU here. So there's just enough room to pull it out. As you can see, I'll be replacing this. And you might want to clean out any leaves that are in there. Put this back in the reverse order. Slide that in there. This clips forward. Put the clips on. Then to put this midsection back on, there's a groove right here which needs to line up with this notch right here. So line that up. Make sure your clips and everything are lined up. And then, oh, that didn't line up. Alright, now we got it lined up. Push down, it'll clip. Push down over here, it'll also clip. You should hear 3 clicks, and you're good to go.